Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are diving into the basics of drawing a perfect cube. Whether you are a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, this tutorial is for you. Step number 1, drawing the front face. Start by drawing a simple square. This will be the front face of your cube. Make sure your lines are straight and your corners are sharp. Step number 2, adding depth. From each corner of your square, draw a line extending outward at a slight angle. These lines should all be the same length to keep your cube proportional. Step number 3, connecting the lines. Now connect the end point of these lines to form another square. This second square is parallel to the first one but slightly offset, creating the illusion of depth. Step number 4, finishing the cube. Connect the corresponding corners of the two squares with straight lines. These lines represent the edges of the cube and should be parallel to each other. Step number 5, adding shadows and details. To make your cube look more realistic and shadows, decide on a light source direction and shade the sides of the cube that are farthest from the light. You can also add some texture or detail to give it more character. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to draw a cube. Practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting with different sizes and angles. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings for more art tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.